quick demonstration of how you can create a social message in CoSchedule and then have it automatically move to Google Sheets so that someone can translate the social messages for you and not have access to CoSchedule, and then have them write the translations right back to a task, so then you as the user in CoSchedule can use those translations without granting access to someone in your CoSchedule account. So this would be a good example of how a marketing services team could interact with a translator on getting their social media posts translated without a lot of additional effort. So what you could do is, or what we'll do for the example is we'll create a social message, and we'll set up this, and we'll make sure it's a draft so I'm not putting this in my real LinkedIn profile. We will type in a URL, and then just type in a quick message. Okay. And we'll go ahead and add the message. And if the integration works well, which it has, you'll see there's a new message posted here. And what you'll see I've done is I've created columns for the translation. Now this is just some test translation that I've created quickly to show the example. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and paste that content here. And the way I've set it up is once I change this column to 0, that signals the integration to kick in and for the content to be sent back to CoSchedule. So let's go have a look at CoSchedule. And there it is. As you can see, we have the translations that we pasted in coming over in a description in a task. So then that way the user could go ahead and post the translations as they see fit.